morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to continue exercise. This is black. Yes, this is black. So we are going to continue with exercise 1.3, question number 6. Okay, children. Now, what you have to do in question number 6. Now read the question. Write any number of 7 digits. Write another number by reversing the digit. Find which of the two number is smaller. Okay. Now children, you have read the question. Now what is the question saying? You have to write any 7 digit number. Okay. So you can take any number of 7 digit. So here I have taken 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1 and 4. These are 7? Yes. Now write any number of 7 digits. So I have taken any number of 7 digit. Okay. Now you have to read the next part. Write another number by reversing the digits. Now the same number you have to reverse. Reverse means ulta. So what will you do? This will be 4, 1, 9, 7, 5, 3, 2. This is your reversed number. Yes? Yes. Now find which of the two number is smaller. Okay. So now you have to take any digit. जैसे टीचर ने यहाँ पे 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 4 लिया है. You can take any number. If you have to read this number, you just have to put in Indian system. You will put first unit, and the second thousand, third lakh. Okay. So this is 23,57,914. So this number I have taken. Any random number you can select. तो हमने लिख दिया है. Then you have got the number. Yes. So see, first what will you write? The digits are. Then you will write the digits, whatever digits you want. Then the number. Now you have formed this number. The number is 23,57,914. Now what you have to do? You have to reverse the number. अब क्या करना है आपको? आपको reverse करना है ये number. Reverse is उल्टा तो हमने पहले ही कर दिया है. Yes. This is the number. Now you will just read the number by putting the commas. Okay. So here 41,97,532. Now आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है? Find which of the two number is smaller. Now you have to find that which of these two numbers. Wait, look here. These two numbers, out of these two, which is the smaller one. So what will you do? You will start comparing. First, these both are 7 digit, as you know, because these both are 7 digit numbers only. So आपको क्या करना है? The leftmost number or the first number you have to compare. Yes. So can you see which number has a greater number? 4. Out of 2 and 4, which number will be greater? 4, no? Yes. So the smaller number will be this and greater number will be this. So smaller number will be 23,57,914. Why? Because 4 is greater than 2. Okay. So here you have solved this. Yes. Now we will go to read the question number 7, children. Now, what is the question telling you to do? Read everyone. By using 0, 2, 4, 6. I'll read it again. By using 0, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Write the smallest and the greatest number of 6 digits. Now, you have been given the digits. What are the digits? Here. The digits are 0, 2, 4, 4. Then you have 5 and you have 6. Yes, these are the 5 digits. Now you have to make a smallest and a greatest number of 6 digit. यानी आपको इन digit में से, इन 5 digit में से आपको 6 digit नंबर बनाना है। अगर 6 डिजिट बनाना है, 5 नंबर दिया है, तो आपको क्या करना है, एक नंबर को +1 करना है, यानी एक नंबर को इसमें से ट्वाइस रिपीट करेंगे आप। ओके, 2 बार आप रिपीट करेंगे इसको। क्यों? क्योंकि आपके पास 5 डिजिट हैं और 6 बनाने के लिए एक और नंबर को एक बार और रिपीट करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज ट्वाइस। ओके, सो बाई अब आपको इन नंबर्स को देखना होगा। नाउ टू फॉर्म द स्मॉलेस्ट, क्योंकि आपको स्मॉलेस्ट पूछा है पहले, टू फॉर्म द स्मॉलेस्ट व्हाट विल यू डू, यू विल स्टार्ट अरेंजिंग द नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। ओके, तो जैसे यहाँ पे लिख दिया हमने, अरेंज द डिजिट इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। सो राइट द ऑर्डर as it is 2, 4, 0 to 4, 5 and 6. फिर आपको अच्छे से पता है कि this number 0 can never be on the leftmost position. Yes, very good. तो हम क्या करेंगे, प्लेस एक्सचेंज कर देंगे। तो सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे, 2, एंड देन जब हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर का बनाना है तो हम स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट को रिपीट करेंगे। yes or no, we'll repeat it twice. So smallest digit is still 0, then 0, 0, then again 4, 5 and 6. This will be your smallest number by putting the commas. Okay, am I right? Yes, the number will be 2,456. So this is your number. Then children, what we have to do now, we have formed the smallest digit number, then we have to form the largest digit number. Now for largest we will arrange it in descending order. So again we'll just go the reverse order, जैसे हमने पहले किया था हम reverse कर देंगे। तो reverse करने के लिए the first digit will be 6, yes, then 5, then 4, then 2 and 0. Yes, this you got the descending order. But ये कितना digit है, this is 5 digit. How many digits you want? You want 6 digit. So in greater number, जैसे smallest number के लिए हम smaller number को twice repeat करते हैं, तो greatest number के लिए हम greater number को twice repeat करेंगे। Okay, so here the greater number is 6, so we'll repeat 6 twice, then 5, then 4, then 2 and 0. So this we put the comma, 6,65,420. This is your number. Okay children, so this is your greatest number. So I hope this is clear to you. Just take a quick look here, then we will continue. Okay, this is how answers should be written in your notebook. Now children, just a quick recap. To form the smallest number, you will arrange in ascending order, and then if the digit is lower than the required digit, so ascending order में smallest number will be repeated twice, or according to the question जितना भी होगा आप repeat करेंगे smallest number. And in greatest number आप क्या करेंगे, greatest number को descending order में arrange करने के बाद the greatest number को you will repeat it. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now we will read out the question number 8. Okay, now we will solve question number 8. Now children, read the question. By using 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, write the smallest and the greatest number of 7 digits. Now look here, the digit has been given to you. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are 5 digit. Okay, these are 5 digit. Wait, I'll write it again. The digits are 0, 2, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, these are the 5 digits. Yes, and you have to form a 7 digit number. You have to form how many digit number? A 7 digit number. So 5. How many digits you have? You have 5. So to get 7 you will have to add 2, यानी इसमें से एक जो डिजिट है वो थ्राइस रिपीट होगा. यस, यस और नो, क्योंकि एक तो पहले से होगा यहाँ पे वो नंबर, एंड देन यहाँ पे +2 हो जाएगा, सो ये 3 हो जाएगा. सो एक नंबर जो है वो थ्राइस रिपीट होगा टू गेट अस 7 डिजिट नंबर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यस. सो नाउ how will you write this? Now you have got this 4 numbers. Now to form a number, a smallest number, what will you do? You will arrange it in ascending order. So this is the ascending order: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, अब हमें पता है करके 0 can never be in the leftmost corner. Yes or no? Yes. तो हम क्या करेंगे? प्लेसेस एक्सचेंज कर देंगे. स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर में दी स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर यू हैव टू रिपीट इट. हमने कहा यहाँ पे हमने पता था हमें कि 5 है नंबर्स हैं, तो उसमें +2 करना है और फिर 7 मिलेगा. तो ये नंबर को हमें 2 बार और लिखना है. तो ये कितने बार रिपीट हो गया? थ्राइस रिपीट हो गया. एंड देन यू विल फॉलो द नंबर्स. ओके, सो नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड. सो एक नंबर देन यू हैव टू +2. तो जो छोटा नंबर है उसको यू विल राइट इट ट्वाइस. तो ये 1 पहले ही एक जो था हमने यहाँ से जो लिखा, एंड देन यू एडेड 2 मोर, तो ये टोटल कितने हो गए? 3. ओके, सो द डिजिट इज विल पुट द कॉमास अकॉर्डिंग टू द पीरियड्स गिवन. देन द 10,234. ओके, सो दिस इज योर स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, हाउ विल यू मेक अ greatest number? Now for greatest number you will arrange this number in descending order. Okay, so descending order, what will you do? You will just reverse the number 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. This is your number. Then you know you have to repeat the number thrice. So the greatest number here is 4. So 4, 4, 4. Again thrice, then 3, 2, 1, 0. This will be your greatest number, and then we'll put the commas. 44,43,210. This will be your answer. Now look at this question number 8. I hope this is clear to you. Now children, now we will solve question number 9. Now first we will read the question. Now read the question. Write the greatest and smallest number of 6 digits by using the digits are 2, 3, 0, 5, 4 and 1. Okay, these are 6 digits that has been given. Okay, so write the greatest and the smallest number of digits by using 2, 3, 0, 5, 4, 1. Okay, only once, that means you do not have to repeat, such that the digit 4 always appears in hundreds place. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है कि ये जो digit 4 है, let me just, now look here, ये जो digit 4 है, this will always be in hundreds place. ये हमेशा 100 के place में ही आएगा. So what will you do children? You will first write the place values. Okay, now आपको smallest और greatest number करना है. तो before making this, what will you do? You will arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay children, so first this will be in ascending order. What will be in the order? In ascending order it will be 0 first, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is your ascending order. And in descending order you will just reverse the order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. This will be the order. Now to form the smallest number, you have to look in the ascending order. Yes or no? Yes. So before doing this, what will you do children? You will just write the place value above. Okay. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. 6 digit is lakh. Yes. Now you have written this. Now what will happen here? Now we are making the smallest number. Okay. Wait. We are making the smallest number. So where will you look here children? You will look here. The ascending order. Now here what does the question says? The question says the 4. Number 4 should always be in the hundreds place. Now here the 100 place is here, so you will write just 4. ओके आपने 4 लिख दिया. ना स्मॉलेस्ट, अब आपको पता है 1 विल नेवर बी इन दी लेफ्ट मोस्ट पोजिशन, सो यू विल स्विच. सो यहाँ पहले 1 आ गया, फिर 0 आ गया, देन यू हैव 2. अब 3 यहाँ पे आप लिख नहीं सकते. क्यों? क्योंकि पहले ही 4 आ गया, तो उसको आप वैसे ही रहने दोगे. 3 उसके बाद लिख दोगे और जो बचा नंबर 5. सो इस तरह से आपका नंबर फॉर्म हो गया. सो द नंबर इज 1,02,435. Am I clear? Yes. ना उसी तरह से अगर आपको लार्जेस्ट नंबर बनाना है, तो हाउ विल यू मेक द लार्जेस्ट नंबर? अगेन आप यही चीज़ देखेंगे करके. यहाँ पर ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर क्या है? ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर से पहले यू नो दैट जो 4 है आपको कहाँ लिखना है? 100 के प्लेस में, तो आपने 4 लिख दिया. देन फिर यू विल स्टार्ट विद द लार्जेस्ट नंबर 5. फिर 4 यहाँ पर तो आएगा नहीं क्योंकि आप पहले से 4 लिख चुके हैं. यहाँ पे आपको रिपीट नहीं करना है. तो 4 के बाद क्या आया है? 3. देन यू विल राइट 3. फिर 3 के बाद 2. 2 के बाद 1 है, लेकिन आप यहाँ पे पहले से 4 लिख चुके हो, तो आप 1 उसके बाद लिखोगे एंड देन 0. दिस इज योर लार्जेस्ट 6 डिजिट नंबर. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so how will you read this? 5,32,410. Okay, so here this will be your smallest number and this will be your greatest number. Understood? I hope this is now clear to you. Yes, now just write down this. Now children, we will today learn the international system of writing numbers. So in international system of reading and writing numbers, what do we do? यहाँ पे जब अगर हम इंडियन सिस्टम पढ़ते हैं, तो इंडियन सिस्टम में हम क्या पढ़ते हैं? वंस, द टेंस, द 100. ओके, ये यूनिट वाला पीरियड हो गया. देन वी हैव द 1000 and the 10,000. This will be the 1000 period. Then you have the lakh and the 10 lakh. Yes. Then you have crore and 10 crore. Yes. Yes, this is how you write. But in international system there is certain difference. Now look, जब आप 1000 के बाद 10,000 के बाद 10,000 के बाद जब आप लाख लिखते हैं, जब आप लाख लिखते हैं. So international system doesn't use lakh. The lakh, the 10 lakh and the crore. ठीक है, तो वो लाख को क्या लिखेंगे? वो लिखेंगे 100,000. What will they write? 100,000. Okay. And for 10 lakhs they will start using a new word, that is a million. So 1 million is equal to 10 lakh and crore is nothing but 10 million. Okay. Look here, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे लिख दिया. We have written here 1 lakh. They will, जब हम जिसको 1 lakh लिखते हैं इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में, they will write it 10,000. For 10 lakhs they will write 1 million and for 1 crore they will write 10 million. Now children, we will just look a table where this has been clearly explained. Now look here. This is an Indian system and this is international system. Now if you look here, just look here. This section. This is same in Indian as well as international. 100, tens, ones. Yes? But if you look here, see, there are 1,000, 10,000, 10,000. But where the place we use lakh, international system use 10,000. So इनका जो period है, if you look here, इनका जो period है वो thousands का 3 में आता है, हमारा 2 में ही आता है. हम 1,000 और 10,000 ही देखते हैं. We do not include lakh. But international system includes thousands. तो उसे वो लाख नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, उसे वो 100,000 करके 1,000 के ग्रुप में वो उसे ऐड कर देते हैं. ओके. So look here. And then if you see the difference here, it is clearly visible. तो ये लाख की जगह क्या लिखते हैं? 100,000. फिर ये 10 लाख की जगह मिलियन लिखते हैं और करोड़ की जगह ये 10 मिलियंस लिखते हैं. ओके. नाउ लुक हियर वेरी केयरफुली. तो इनका जो इंडियन सिस्टम का फर्स्ट यूनिट है 3 डिजिट का, सेकंड है 2 डिजिट का वेर 1,000 एंड 10,000, और लाख का भी 2 डिजिट का है वेर lakhs and 10 lakh, and crore also you have crore and 10 crore. Yes. But when you come here in international system, the first unit, that is the first period, is of 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds, and the second unit is also of 3 digits, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And then you have the third here, the million period, where million and 10 millions. तो यहाँ पे ये जब कॉमा पुट करेंगे तो ये 3 डिजिट के बाद कॉमा पुट करेंगे. लेकिन हमारा कैसा होता है 3, 2, 2 and 2. Yes? Yes children. So this is the difference between the Indian system and the international system. Okay, so you have to be very careful while solving the questions. आपको ध्यान देना होगा कि इंडियन सिस्टम है या इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम है. इंडियन सिस्टम होगा तो फर्स्ट पीरियड उनका 3 डिजिट का होगा, सेकेंड 2 डिजिट का, थर्ड भी 2 डिजिट का. बट इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम होगा तो फर्स्ट पीरियड 3 डिजिट का, सेकेंड पीरियड भी 3 डिजिट का. जो हमारे लिए लाख है उनके लिए 100,000 है, जो हमारे लिए 10 लाख है उनके लिए 1 मिलियन है, और जो हमारे लिए 1 करोड़ है उनके लिए 10 मिलियन है. 10 lakhs 1 million. Okay. So write down this table in your notebook. All this table should be in your notebook. Okay children. Now this is for your reference purpose so that you understand in much more detail. Okay, so digit system in Indian system of numbers. So how digits? See, the first has the first 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digit. Are ones, tens and hundred. They belong to unit period. Yes? Yes. Then you have the other 4 and 5 digits. These are thousands and 10,000. Yes, and they belong to 1,000 period. Then if you look at the 6 digit and the 7 digit numbers, These are lakhs and 10 lakhs. You can very well see here. They belong to the lakh period. Then the 8 and the 9 digits, crores and 10 crores, they belong to the crore period. Okay. So these are the digits. So when I ask you 4 digit belongs to which period? 1000 period. 6 digit place value lakh hai and belongs to lakh period. 7 digits place value is 10 lakhs. Okay. So you should very well remember the place value. So look here, children. This is the period. Okay. This is the period and this is the place value, and these are the number of digits. Okay. Remember, this is the place value and this is the period. So when I ask you that what is the place value of 3 digit, it will always be hundreds. Okay. So write down this in your notebook. Now children, now we will understand the international system of numbers. Be very careful, इन दोनों में confuse कभी नहीं होना. Now look here, these are 3, 3 and 2. Okay. When we talk about international system, we have 3, 3 and 2. But when we talk about Indian system, our number following is 3, 2, 2 and 2. Okay children. Now we will read about digits in international system. Okay. So how will you read this? Now see, first digit, again these are the digits, these are the place values and these are the periods. Okay. Now look, one digit, that is ones, belongs to unit period. Then 2 digits, tens, unit period. 3 digit, hundreds, unit period. Then this here our first period is over. After this you put comma. Then next, the 4 digit thousands belongs to 1000 period. 5 digits are in 10,000s belongs to 1000 period. Then 6 digit here again. Be very careful. If it is international system, always remember 6 digit जो हमारा lakh था in Indian system, here it will become 100,000 which belongs to the 1000 period. There is no lakh period in international system. Okay children. Now 7 digits again. Then here we don't have crore also. Lakh and crore do not find their place in international system. Okay. These are only used in India. Now in 7 digit we automatically run to a new word, that is the million. Okay. So here this will be 10 lakhs, but now in international system we will say it as millions, and this will belong to a new period, that is million. And then the 8 digit number, which is crore in Indian system, but in international system it will turn into 10 millions. Okay. And which belongs to the million period. I hope I'm clear enough. Yes. So you do not have any confusion in Indian and international system. Always remember, there is a vast difference here between the periods and the place values. Okay, in Indian and international system. In Indian system, we have lakhs and crores. Yes. But here we have 100,000 and million. Okay. Am I clear? Yes. So always remember this. Now look here. Also have points to remember. Lakh is nothing but 100,000. Yes. Yes. 10 lakh is nothing but 1 million. And 1 crore is nothing but 10 million. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear to you and you are not confused here. So this everything you will write in your notebook. Okay, so I hope this is all the confusion that you have has been cleared. If you have any confusion, you will ask in the class. So have a good day, children. This is all for today.